This is Helpscreen and this is how to fix HP Smart App not working. So this is an Android and Apple device tutorial, so simply follow along. So guys, today I'm gonna show you multiple solutions in order for you to fix your HP Smart application. And now for the first solution, just go to your Google Play Store and then from here just search for the HP Smart. And guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of the app. So when the application have an update, you should be able to update it over here. So now guys, for the second solution, just go to your settings on your device. And then from here, go to the apps. And then on the apps, just find HP Smart. So from here, you will see all of the installed application on your device. So when you find it, just tap on it. And then from here, tap on the storage and make sure to clear cache and also clear data. And then guys, if any of the solutions I provided doesn't work, all you have to do now is reinstall HP Smart on your device. So first, uninstall the app on your device. And then once it is uninstalled, you can just go back to the Google Play Store. And then from here, install it back again. And then from there, you should be able to have a working HP Smart application. And you should be able to use the application without any having issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching guys. See ya!